In gardens everywhere, compost piles often become stubborn, unmoving mounds. We layer kitchen scraps and garden cuttings, hoping for rich soil, but sometimes nothing happens. The pile sits cold and lifeless, emitting a sour smell instead of an earthy aroma. Flies gather the pile is either soggy or bone dry, clear signs something's wrong. Many gardeners try adding more greens, more browns, or turning the pile, but the problem persists. The real issue isn't the ingredients, it's the absence of life. I faced this myself. My compost was a cold, dense disappointment, no matter what I tried. Turning, adding water, more materials, nothing worked. It felt like a monument to failure. But then I discovered a new approach. Not more work, but more life. The solution wasn't in the materials, but in reviving the biology within the pile. That's when everything changed. Let's see how. A stalled compost pile isn't missing food. It's missing microbes. The bacteria, fungi and protozoa that drive decomposition have vanished or gone dormant. Without them, the pile is just a factory with no workers. The answer? Add life back in with a liquid compost activator, a living brew teeming with microbes. Pouring this liquid onto the pile is a biological rescue, not just adding moisture. It's a shift from thinking of compost as chemistry to seeing it as a living ecosystem. The activator delivers a fresh workforce of microbes ready to break down material immediately. When I tried it, I expected nothing. But by morning, the pile was warm and the sour smell faded. The transformation was rapid. The compost was alive again. This simple liquid didn't just help, it resurrected the pile overnight. The secret is life itself. Let's make it. Here's how. Making this microbial elixir is easy and cheap. You need 3 things: finished compost, sugar and water. Use 2 handfuls of mature, earthy-smelling compost as your microbe starter. Fill a bucket with about 10 litres of rainwater or dechlorinated tap water. Add the compost and a spoonful of unsulfured molasses or brown sugar. Stir vigorously for a few minutes to wash microbes into the water and add oxygen. Let it sit for an hour. This wakes up the microbes and gets them multiplying. No need to strain, just pour the whole mixture, sediment and all, over your stalled compost pile. The liquid soaks through, delivering microbes deep into the heap. This is far more effective than turning the pile. It's like sending in a fresh workforce, ready to work immediately. Now, let's see what happens next. After applying the liquid, changes are fast and dramatic. Within a day, the pile heats up, a sure sign of microbial activity. The foul smell disappears, replaced by a pleasant earthy scent. The pile shrinks as microbes break down material, and the texture becomes lighter and more crumbly. Moisture levels balance out, whether the pile was too wet or too dry. Nutrients are locked into stable forms, making the final compost richer and more beneficial for your garden. The pile is no longer dormant, it's thriving. This method transforms compost quickly and improves its quality. The difference is clear. Life has returned, and it all started with a simple living liquid. But when should you use it? Use the liquid whenever your compost stalls, cold, smelly or slow to break down. Pour it evenly over the top and let it soak in. Don't turn the pile for at least a week. The microbes need time to establish and build networks. Unlike commercial activators, which just add nitrogen, This liquid restores a diverse microbial community. It's cheap, effective and scalable, from backyard bins to farm-scale piles. For large piles, just make a bigger batch. Repeat every few weeks if needed to keep the biology strong. This approach works anywhere, for anyone. Compost isn't just waste, it's a living system. The solution isn't more work, but more life. By restoring biology, we work with nature, not against it. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the ones that are truly alive.